This is our 2021 Forest River RPod. It's the exterior walkthrough. Got your pass-through storage, all the things you would need to set up to camp for the weekend. Electric awning, exterior speakers set up there for your griddle on the side of the unit. Also a shelf, brand new Carlisle HD radial tires. Again, RPod 195. Got a front bed, rear kitchen, and slide out. Gas and electric refrigerator, gas water heater. Also comes with a rear view camera system, ladder to access the roof if needed. Again, slide out 30 amp service. You got a waste holding tank and sewage tank. Again, brand new tires. Excellent condition on the exterior. Coleman AC unit, blows super cold air. You got all the electrical accessories, plumbing, water, extra hose, pressure valve, and then all your clean out system to clean out your tanks. Also comes with a weight distribution system by Reese. This is the 6,000 pound version. One propane tank, 30 pound electrical tongue, and an interstate battery. And all this is included in the price of the unit. 2021 RPod 195.